Ayan na guys, kumulo-kulo na siya guys. My cooking is boiling. So. Ito ang mga sangkap natin guys. Karne. Meat. Yan guys. Hiwain natin ang karne guys. Maliit na sibuyas. Hiwain ang pinong-pino ang sibuyas. Hiwain ang pinong-pino ang bawang. Isang pirasong bawang. Pork and beans. Oil. Seasoning. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Water. Guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ng pork and beans. Yan guys, may ano na tayo dito guys, mantika. At ang bawang natin, isasalin na natin guys. Yan guys. Isasalin na natin guys. Hintayin natin mag-brown siya guys. Yan. Yan guys, brown na siya guys. Panggatong natin guys is papel. Ang magic papel ko guys. Isasalin na natin ang karne guys. Yan. Karne guys. Panggatong natin guys, papel. Yan guys. Salin natin ang karne. Tapos, mekos-mekos lang guys. Mekos-mekos. Mekos-mekos. Yan guys, mekos-mekos lang guys. Mekos-mekos lang ang sahog natin guys. May sahog tayo ngayon guys. Lagyan natin ng tubig guys. Yan. Yan guys. Mekos-mekos yan guys. Mekos-mekos. Mekos-mekos yan guys. Mex-mex. Takpan natin guys. Yan. Maliit ang takip ko guys. Ilalagay na natin ang ano guys, ang pork and beans. Yan guys. At saka panimpla guys. At saka soy sauce. Yan guys. Takpan natin. It will boil and it will kulo-kulo guys. For how many minutes? Maluluto na yan guys. Yan. Magic papel ko guys. Panggatong ko. Yan guys. Tikman na natin guys. Kunan na natin ang takip. Yan guys. Tikman natin guys. Aray ko. Ang init guys. Tikman na natin guys. Sarap-sarap nito guys. Sarap guys. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap ng sabaw guys. Tikman natin. Sarap. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Like and share. Watch and comment. You can hit the bell button guys. Bell button. Thank you guys. Watch for the next video soon guys. Babush. Bye-bye. Ang sarap.